If you have personal photos on your Samsung Galaxy that you don't want other people to see, locking an album is a great way to add an extra layer of privacy. Don't worry, it only takes a few minutes and I'll walk you through it step by step. Opening the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, then select Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap About Gallery. Now find the version number. Tap it quickly 7 to 10 times until a small message appears saying Gallery Labs enabled. It might take a few extra taps, so just keep going until the pop-up appears. Once that's done, go back to the previous screen. You'll notice a new option called Gallery Labs. Open it and look for Album Entry Locks or Album Entry Log. The name can vary depending on your One UI version. Turn this feature on. To make sure the setting is applied, completely close the Gallery app from your recent apps. If you prefer, you can simply restart your phone. Either method works. After that, open the Gallery app again and find the album you want to protect. Press and hold the album until it's selected. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose Lock Album. From now on, every time someone tries to open that album, they'll need to verify their identity using their fingerprint, face recognition, or phone PIN. If you don't see the Lock Album option, don't panic. Double-check that Gallery Labs is enabled, restart the Gallery app again, and make sure your phone has a screen lock or biometric security already set up. And that's all there is to it. Your private photos are now much more secure, so you can hand your phone to someone else without worrying about them browsing through your personal memories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.